Now, big pharma companies are scrambling to be the first to produce a COVID-19 vaccine. At least 70 different vaccines are in production, but it will take months before any one is made available to the public. Nick Harper has more.
In laboratories around the world, scientists are racing to find a vaccine to beat COVID-19. In Gaithersburg, Maryland, biotech company Novavax has previously worked on vaccines for SARS and MERS, and now it's turning its attention to COVID-19.
Oh my God, it's nuts. People are working 24/7. I mean, they realize the urgency and the importance of what we're doing, and really are totally committed to getting this thing out there.
The teams expect to start phase 1 human trials on 130 adults in mid-May. Results should be back in July, when they'll start trials on several thousand people. The University of Pittsburgh is where the polio vaccine was first discovered. At the medical center, researchers are now developing a vaccine that is delivered using a dissolvable patch called a microneedle array.
Think about them as almost like a Band-Aid. And so the microneedle array is simply applied to the skin topically, pressed into place very shortly, and then taken off and thrown away. And then the antigen is already delivered.
There's clear competition to be the first with a workable vaccine, but companies are also collaborating, in particular on how to eventually scale up production to manufacture billions of doses.
We hope everybody's vaccine works, frankly, because there's going to be plenty of room in the marketplace for, when you think about having to immunize 6 or 7 billion people in order to clamp this down. No one solution is going to solve everything.
The US government has started putting out contracts to some companies, including an almost $500 million commitment to Johnson & Johnson, and federal officials could fast-track emergency approvals for mass production if testing proves effective. But researchers at Harvard University's School of Public Health are warning that if a vaccine is not found soon, safe distancing will need to continue until 2022. It's an unprecedented global effort, but even though human trials are now underway, a vaccine is unlikely to be ready for public use until sometime next year. Nick Harper, CNA, Washington.